nature's embrace to the transformative power of aroma, there exists a realm where AG Organica crafts wonders. Welcome to a world where purity, passion, and innovation intertwine. With the power to heal and rejuvenate, we at AG Organica have been harnessing the essence of these treasures for nearly 3 decades. A pioneer in essential oils, cold-pressed carrier oils, cosmetics, and allied products, we stand at the forefront of excellence. Our journey began with a passion for organic aromas, and today we are known for sourcing the finest botanical treasures from across the globe. AG Group owes its remarkable success to the visionary leadership of its directors. With an unwavering zeal for natural well-being and a deep understanding of the industry, their strategic insights, coupled with their commitment to quality and innovation, have propelled us to become a trusted global brand. Under their guidance, we have expanded our horizons, ventured into new product lines, and established ourselves as a frontrunner in the industry. Located in Noida, UP, we are a government-recognized star export house. Our production area stands as a testament to our commitment to excellence as we put emphasis on maintaining hygiene and cleanliness in and around our premises. Our production process is a harmonious symphony of advanced machinery and meticulous craftsmanship. Our high-tech manufacturing and filling facility is equipped with advanced equipment that ensures precision and efficiency at every step. Apart from this, with our well-equipped finished goods, raw material, packaging materials storage area, etc., we ensure secure storage and timely delivery. Our logistics department plays a vital role in safeguarding goods during transit. Guided by scientific precision, our 6 advanced in-house laboratories are the cornerstone of our innovation. Here, the most delicate processes are carefully executed, ensuring that each product carries the essence of purity and authenticity. From thorough ingredient analysis to precise sensory evaluations, we spare no effort in our pursuit of excellence. QC Lab Essential Oils, Carrier Oil and Cosmetics is where our team of experts tirelessly push boundaries and explore new formulations and techniques to create breakthrough products that exceed expectations. In our Fragrance Lab, our skilled perfumers blend and harmonize an array of scents, creating exquisite fragrances that evoke emotions and elevate experiences, ensuring scientific expertise converges with creative exploration. We at AG Organica strive to create products that surpass expectations, enrich lives, and nurture well-being in every single bottle. In addition to our expertise in essential oils and allied products, we have expanded our offerings to include a wide range of cosmetic products. From face care and lip care to eye care and makeup removers, we cater to the diverse needs of multinational brands in the beauty industry. From vibrant shades that ignite creativity to enriching formulas that nurture the skin, our products are designed to unlock your inner radiance. Our dedication to excellence extends beyond production. With a keen eye for detail, we also offer customization options for packaging and design, ensuring that each product aligns perfectly with the brand's vision. Our ability to adapt, innovate, and cater to various industries and international markets solidifies our position as a trusted partner for both businesses and consumers. Thus, from skincare to aromatherapy, Our authentic creations are crafted and designed by our experts to unlock nature's secrets, nurturing both body and soul. Our Exquisite Showroom is a haven of aromatic delight that showcases our diverse range of essential oils, cold-pressed oils, and cosmetic products. We at AG Organica are the artisans of aroma. Our offices are not just spaces. They are vibrant sanctuaries of creativity and collaboration. Our team members thrive in an atmosphere of collaboration, creativity, and constant growth, collectively weaving a tapestry of success, united by a shared purpose to deliver exceptional products that redefine the standards of natural well-being. Experience the transformative power of our products and embark on a journey of self-care and revitalization. AG Organica is truly committed to adding essence to your life and delivering harmony in every drop.